What's going on, everyone? In this video I'm gonna be unboxing the Samsung S60B All-in-One 5-channel soundbar. So this was an open box product from Best Buy, but it was in excellent condition, so almost like brand new, but just open box. I mean, when I received it, it wasn't open like this. I just opened it here, but I didn't unbox anything. So I'm gonna show you unboxing of this. Looks like brand new. So, and it was $40 less than getting unopened box. So if it's brand new and it's in excellent condition, just open box, I don't see what's wrong with getting this product. So I guess I'll first unbox this thing over here. I'm gonna put this one to the side. Okay, so in here we have the power cord. Okay, and then I guess this plugs into there. This is the remote for it. Here, I'll just show you what it looks like. Oops, come on. So it's like brand new. Well, it is brand new. Here's the remote. It is brand new, but just open box in excellent condition. Okay. Alright, so that's the remote right there. These are power. Instructions, installing it on the wall. That's what these instructions are. And then this is guide on how to use the remote. Okay. So just installation stuff. All right. Oh, this is HDMI cable for you to hook it up to your TV. Battery, I'm assuming for the remote. I'll put that right there. Okay, so here's the stuff for the wall mount. I'm not planning to mount it on the wall, but if I wanted to, here it is. Oh, there's two of them. Okay. So that is wall mount. Alright, now this last thing over here is, what is this? Okay, I have to open up this pack. It's a little booklet type thingy. I don't know what's in there. I'll open it in a bit. And these are some stuff which I don't know what these are. Oh, there's two screws and then two of these things. I'm assuming maybe it's for the wall mount. Let me see. I don't know. User manual. So it comes with the user manual inside, just like everything else. Yeah, so this thing over here is part of the wall mount installation stuff. Anyways, so that's what was in this box over here. I'll just put this box back. Okay, and this box was in here like this. Okay, so now here is the actual soundbar itself. Wow, it's kind of heavy. It's very well protected over here, and it's also very well protected on this side, and it's got a little cardboard right there to protect it. And you're looking at this before I am, the front at least, or the top. Okay, it's a little bit dirty over here, but that's okay, that's not a big deal. I'll go ahead and wipe that down with a microfiber cloth. And this is the front side of it. Yep, that's the front side. Yeah, that's the front side. Sorry, I was just a little confused right there because you can't really tell. Or maybe that's not the front side. Hold on. It's hard to tell which one's the front side and which one's the back side. Oh, I can read Samsung from here, so this must be the front side. Okay, there you go. So this is the front side of it, and that is the top. It's got two speakers on the sides, one right there, and one right there. And then it's got two speakers in the back. I can actually see it. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera or not, but I can see it right there and right there. And it's supposed to have one speaker at the front, which I actually cannot see from here, or I can't tell. Probably should be right there in the middle. So in the top, it's got a plus and a minus button. I'm not sure what this button is, probably power. And I'm not sure what this button is, probably mute. Okay, so, and on this side, this is the back side, it says Dolby Atmos, DTS, HDMI. So yeah, it's compatible with Dolby Atmos products or systems. Here is the back side of it. On the back side we have okay, so here's the power source. This is what service, I'm not sure what that is. Anyways, that's power, not sure what that is. That is digital audio in optical. Okay, so if you wanted to plug it in through optical. And then over here you got the HDMI, which you can connect to your TV. And to wall mount it, I'm assuming maybe these ones. I don't know. Anyways, so that was unboxing the Samsung All-in-One 5-channel S60B soundbar. And hopefully once I get the chance to hook it up, I will demonstrate what it sounds like. Okay, thank you for watching. Oh, didn't stop.